One of the biggest questions I get is, what is this resin ink technology? It's kind of a new name or something you haven't really heard, and it's something that we brought out to our signage side of the business. But to be honest, we've actually had this ink technology for quite some time. We've had it running on our SurePress label printers on the other side of the business. We've actually grabbed that ink technology and brought it over to our large format printing side of the business. Now, a lot of people ask, when would I choose resin ink technology over solvent ink technology? A lot of the type of material or the type of media you can print to is fairly similar. So my answer to that is, it depends on how you want to use your printers. Now, usually when I say, are you familiar with what you want to print? I only want to print banners. I only want to print decals. And quality is at the utmost of the importance. Then I would say, okay, let's go with the SureColor S8600 printer. If you want to use the printer as your kind of all-in-one, maybe you want to print on some fabric, maybe you want to print on some banners, you don't want to say no to a lot of different customers or different opportunities that come your way, then I tell them to choose the resin printer because of the versatility of the different medias.